All right, so today we're gonna show you how to make old forms like that look like this. I'm gonna show you a very quick, simple way to resurface your forms or salvage some really old forms. Like here, you can see these forms are in terrible, terrible condition. So the process is actually very simple, and buying new forms is extremely expensive. This is Duraform brand. So basically what we got here, we have one of our old forms. And the first thing is you got to get off the loose debris. So right now they're cleaning and scraping these. You can see the mess over here. So the key is you don't have to get these perfect. We just have to get enough of the loose material off to have a level surface, a semi-level surface. And then the next step is ripping and laying down your plywood. So you can see over here, we have one sheet. So these forms are 2 foot in width. So it's perfect. A 4x8 sheet ripped in half, lay it right down. You can see here, we're using stainless steel washers and coated screws. And the key to that is making sure you have one, enough screws, and two, they have to be stainless steel. They need to be coated. These forms are gonna be out in the elements constantly. There's gonna be release oil on them, so it's a little bit corrosive. And they're gonna be getting wet concrete, obviously sitting against it. So you gotta make sure these don't rust out. You want them to last. If you're spending the time to do this, it's worth doing it right. So again, don't throw out your forms. If they look this bad, you can make them look that good. It's worth your time and money. So